finish one more task.
Very good, Raymond. Good job, good job.
Boss, question. I just want to ask about the leave I filed this December. I'm just so excited to see my family in the Philippines.
We have a problem. We'll be short of staff. If you leave, one of your workmates has emergency and he needs to go back home. So, what to do? I'm sorry, you can't have leave this December.
Okay, sir. Nice. Katapos ko bigyan ng good news. Bad news naman ang ibibigay sa atin. Kung kailan pa naman excited na ako umuwi this Christmas, na-expect pa naman ako ng family ko. Bad trip.
Mahal. Anak. Pasensya na kayo ha. Si tatay. Yung sahod ko noong nakaraan, sobrang bitin. At ngayon naman, yung inaasahan kong sahod ko, delay. Ang masaklap nito, kailangan pa natin magbayad ng utang, pagamot si Junior. Anak, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Mahal. Gusto ko man i-celebrate yung Christmas na may handa sana tayo kahit konti lang. Pero, alam nyo, bilang sa tatay, gusto ko talaga i-celebrate. Pero ngayon, mukhang alanganin at wala na tayong panghanda.
Ano ba yan, Dok? Kailan naman magpapasko eh? Saka pa tayo nagkaganito?
Oto, why so sad?
Tita JJ, I'm sorry. It's just that it's my first time celebrating Christmas without my mom and dad.
It's okay, no? Even though it's Christmas, dapat alam namin natin yung Pasko. So don't be sad because it's Christmas. So smile, show me your smile. Smile! Wait lang. Anong problema? Bakit kailangan sa ganito?
Joy, tigilan na natin ito.
Ay,
Huwag na natin mahirapan pa isa-isa. Maghiwalay na tayo, Joy.
pwede pa natin gawin ng paraan.
Tama na.
Wait. So, you wanna break up with me?
I know it's a hard decision. Pero, yes.
Your salary has been debited. Ay, thank you, Lord! Sa wakas pumasok na yung sahod ko. Tamang-tamang magpapasko pa naman. Bayaran pa ng tabi. Bayaran pa ng bills. Tama-tama. Hala, bakit tumatawag sa akin to? Anong ginawa ko? Ay,
Hello, Dubai Police ulit.
Oh, Dubai Police.
Just want to know your credit cards detail, my friend. There's no illegal transaction you are doing.
Okay, sir, okay.
Did you receive this OTP?
OTP? Oh, one moment, sir. Yes, sir, I received.
Good. Tell me.
143, 114.
Okay. I'll send another one, okay?
Oh.
Then give me this OTP again.
Wait, sir, but my money is dead. My money is debited, sir.
Don't worry. Once there is the money, transfer to your account.
Sure, sir, This is the OTP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Where's my money is zero? What happened? Hello, sir? Hello? Sir!
Bye-bye na.